Welcome to another episode of the prestigious Landed Home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Gerald, and joining me today is my partner Agnes. Today, we are thrilled to introduce to you a stunning property located at 69 Jalan Tari Piring in District 28.
That's right, Gerald. Developed by Goodland Group, a listed company with an exceptional track record spanning over a decade, having developed over 500 homes in Singapore alone, this brand new 3-story intermediate terrace with an attic is truly a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship.
Let's take a closer look at what this remarkable property has to offer.
As we step inside, we'll immediately notice the spacious and airy living area filled with natural light.
Now, let's head to the heart of the home, the kitchen. With ample counter space and storage space, sleek modern finishes, and plenty of natural light, this kitchen is every chef's dream.
Bright and breezy, the kitchen creates the perfect ambience for culinary creativity to flourish.
And for added convenience, this home is equipped with a private home lift, providing easy access to the higher floors.
Let's explore the bedrooms next, where comfort and relaxation awaits.
Each bedroom is designed with privacy and comfort in mind, featuring ample space and ensuite bathrooms to ensure everyone gets to school or work on time.
The master bedroom is a true sanctuary, with a private balcony that looks towards the serene environment.
And let's not forget about the rooftop pool where you can relax and unwind, especially ideal for the tropical weather of sunny Singapore.
Convenience is key with this property. You're just a short walk away from amenities and famous local eateries, including the renowned Jalan Kayu Roti Prata, or do you prefer mee goreng?
Actually, I'm fine with just a cup of teh tarik. And yes, with the Seletar Mall nearby, you will have access to a wide range of shopping, dining and entertainment options.
Commuting is a breeze with the Thanggam LRT station just minutes away, providing easy access to other parts of Singapore. And with major expressway like the SLE, CTE and TPE nearby, getting around the island is convenient and hassle-free.
And let's not forget about the exciting developments happening nearby, such as the Seletar Aerospace Park and Punggol Digital District. With these projects, the vibrancy of life in this area is set to soar, with even more amenities and opportunities for residents to enjoy.
With its impeccable design, prime location and array of amenities, this property at 69 Jalan Tari Piring truly offers the epitome of luxurious landed living.
Priced at only 5.5 million, it is easily one of the cheapest brand new landed terraces for sale, given that many brand new landed terraces are now priced close to 6.5 million or even above in the market.
So what are you waiting for? Contact Casey at 9277 772 or Katherine at 9367 772 to schedule your exclusive home tour today. AAG Landed 772, your compass for landed properties.